कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। Today I'll teach you that is class chapter class 9. They are telling that ma'am, you are taking the class of class 10, so you are not taking our class. So today children, today I'll teach you the chapter of class 9, trigonometrical ratio of standard angles. So let's study. Just wait. Whatever I'll tell now, you know what I'll tell. That is, like my videos and share among your friends, and please take the help of comment box. If you have any queries, must you have. So let me know through the comment box, and please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. This is every scenario I will tell you. No. So let's start the class. Okay. So trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So ma'am, such a big chart and so many, that is formula. What I have to, this I have learned. So no need to in class, no. That's not right. Okay. So you have to learn this chart. Okay, trigonometry is an important chapter of any classes, that is class 9, 10 and 11, 12 and so on, degree classes. So trigonometry is an important chapter. So you have to learn, this is a basic thing. So whenever you learn that is you cannot remind that is A, B, C. So it took a lot of time to learn. So now whenever it is the basic thing, it is the A, B, C, D of trigonometry. So you have to learn. Just here are the angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, and there is a theta: sin theta, cosec theta, tan theta. Sorry, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. So sin 0 degree equals to 0. Sin 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. Sin theta 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree is root over 3 by 2. And sin 90 degree is 1. You know the trick to learn it. Cos theta is just reverse of sin theta. So sin 0 is 1. Sin 30 is root over 3 by 2. Sin 40 is same as cos 45 and sin 45 degree same, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is sin 30, and sin 90 degree, sin 0 degree is 0 and cos 90 degree is 0. Similarly, whatever is tan theta, cot theta is the just reverse order cos theta. Reverse order, that is tan theta 0 degree 0, 30 degree 1 by root 3, 45 degree 1, 60 degree root 3 and 90 degree not defined. That is cot, that is not defined, that is root 3, here is root 3, that is 1, here is 1, that is 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3, that is 0, that is 0. That reverse order only. Okay, same thing with it for sec theta and cosec theta also. Sec theta is 0 degree 1, cosec theta is 90 degree 1. Sec theta 30 degree is 2 by root 3, cosec theta 60 degree is 2 by root 3. Sec theta 45 degree is root 2, cosec theta 45 degree is root 2. And then sec theta 60 degree equals to 2 and cosec theta 30 degree equals to 2. Sec theta 90 degree is not defined, cosec theta 90 degree is not, 0 degree is not defined. So sin and cos is reverse order, tan and cot is reverse order, and sec and cosec is reverse order. Now it is not, that is so tough. No. Okay. Then trigonometrical ratios of complementary. This is UMP full stop means complementary angles. So sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Cos is just reverse of sin theta. This is cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. And cot theta is just reverse of tan theta. This is cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta is cosec theta. And cosec 90 degree minus theta is sec theta. Whew, I'm feeling tired. You also. But you have to learn this table, otherwise you cannot learn the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. So this is your formula. Okay, so you have to learn. So let's see once the angles, and if you have any queries, please let me know through the comment box. Okay, so let's start with the tables. So let's solve the first sum. Okay, that is sine 60 degree by cos square 45 degree minus 3 tan 30 degree plus 5 cos 90 degree. Okay, it is not at all tough sum. Okay, so you are telling, ma'am, here is cos square. I'll tell you about the square. So what do you know about sine 60 degree? That what do you know about sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree equals to root over 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree equals to root over 3 by 2. Now cos square 45 degree. What do you know about cos 45 degree? Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. That is cos square 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2 square. Okay, minus 3 tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. 3, that is 3 multiplied by. Okay, 1 by root 3 plus 5 cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree equals to 0 plus 5 cos 90 degree equals to 0. Okay, so what's the answer? Then root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 by 1 by root 2 square is 2 minus root 3, that is cut root 3, because root 3 multiplied by root 3 equals to 3. So here is root 3 and here is 3. That is 3 means root 3 into root 3. That is root 3. So here root 3 into 1. Okay, so root 3 plus 5 into 0, that is 0. Okay, now solve it. 2, that is denominator. Cut it. So root 3 by 1, that is root 3, and then minus root 3. Okay, plus 0 you don't write. Okay, so it is root 3 minus root 3 equals to 0. This is the answer. Tough sum? Not at all. Okay, let's move. Let's learn the sum. Okay, children, come to the next sum. Okay, that is sine 45 degree cos 45 degree cos 60 degree by sine 60 degree cos 30 degree tan 45 degree. That's a very easy sum, you know. Not easy? Yes, easy. Just see. Sine 45 degree. So what about sine 45 degree? That is 1 by root 2, you know, into cos 45 degree. Sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree is the same. Okay, that is also 1 by root 2. And cos 60 degree, what do you know about cos 60 degree? That is cos 60 degree equals to 1 by 2. So now sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree, what is sine 60 degree? That is root over 3 by 2. So cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is what? That is also same as sine 60 degree. That is cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into tan 45 degree is what? 1. Okay. So 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2. What is it? Root 2 multiplied by root 2, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. And in the denominator, root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 2 into 2, that is 4 into 1. No need to write 1, but I am writing. Okay. So root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 2 into 2, that is 4. And it's 1. So numerator 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So handwriting is so bad. Okay. So 1 by 4. And here 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So 4 cut. That is answer is 1 by 3. Not so easy. Easy sum. Okay. So let's observe. Marks will be deducted, you know. So here is 4 sin to the power 4 means that is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 to the power 4 plus cos 60. What is sin 30? That is cos 60. So 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay. Minus 3 into cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2 square. Okay. Minus sin 90 is 1 square. Okay. So then 4 multiplied by 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 equals to 1 by 16 plus again 1 by 16. Okay. Minus 3 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Then 4. 16 is the denominator. So 1 plus 1. Okay. Minus 3 into 2 is the denominator. Don't write the third bracket here. Put the first bracket. So 2. Then 1 minus 2. Okay. So 4 into 2 by 16. Okay. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So 4 that is 1 2. So you have to write 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Minus this is plus. You have to write plus 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. Here is the denominator 2. So that is 2. 1 plus 3. That is 4 by 2. That is 2. And here is the right hand side is also 2. So you have to write, therefore, I am not writing here, you will write as conclusion that left hand side equals to right hand side, that is proved. Okay, let's observe the sum. So I'm telling about the sound, you know. I'm not telling about IPL. You are now very busy with watching IPL, no? Do you like cricket or tennis? I like tennis very much. Naomi Osaka is my favorite star, new star. So watch IPL, then tennis, or whatever you like. In this pandemic situation, you cannot go out to play, no? So playing video games, that's also very favorite of you, no? I know. And IPL, that's another irritation for you. Okay, then watch IPL, watch tennis, enjoy video games, but study. Okay, continue studying. So you have to pass your examination and you have to learn. So you are very confident about your exam. You have to prepare for your exam. You don't have school now. No, school is a place of recreation for you also. No, you have friends. A lot of friends are there, and you play with them. Okay, so now you cannot go out. I feel very sorry for you, but what can you do? I will teach you. Okay, so let's start. Question number 4. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta equals to cos theta, find the value of theta. Okay, and also find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. That is, you have to find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. And first of all, you have to find the value of theta. Okay. So what you have given? That is, you have given that sin theta equals to cos theta. I should not do the underline here. No, it's looking very bad. No. Okay. You know sin theta equals to cos theta. So that's the solution. Sin theta equals to cos theta implies that sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. So sin theta, take it here, by cos theta equals to 1. Okay. So sin theta by cos theta, what is the formula? Tan theta equals, you know, tan theta, you can remember, tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. That I taught you in the previous class, no? Okay. Then, we can write it sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. So, tan theta equals to 1. So, tan theta equals to tan 45 degree. Why 45 degree? Because tan 45 degree equals to 1. That is the value of tan 45 degree. You know that I have taught you in the previous class. The tan 45 equals to 1. So, you have written tan theta equals to tan 45 degree. So, cancel tan. Okay. So, now you can write theta equals to 45 degree. That is the value of theta. Understood? Understood? Oh. So, theta equals to 45 degree. No. Okay, let's erase then. So, I'm erasing here. प्लीज मेरा वीडियो लाइक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. दैट आई टेल एवरी डे. नो ओके, यू नो, बट अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिमाइंडिंग यू. नो ओके, एंड शेयर दिस वीडियोस टू योर फ्रेंड्स, so that is helpful for you and for them also. Okay. So now we will move to the next sum. So theta is equals to what? Theta is equals to 45 degree. No. Okay. So now come to this sum. 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. You have to find out this value. Okay. So is equals to 2 tan square theta. That is, you know, theta is here 45 degree. So tan square 45 degree plus sin square 45 degree. Just put the theta is here 45 degree. Okay. Minus 1. So minus 1. Okay. So 2 tan square 45 degree. What? Tan 45 degree is 1. So tan square 45 degree equals to 2 1 square. 1 square and 1 is the same, you know, plus sin square 45 degree. What is sin square 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Okay. So sin square 45 degree is 1 by root 2 square minus 1. Okay. So 2 into 1 square, that is 2, plus 1 by root 2 square, that is root 2 into root 2, that is 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus half, that is 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Okay, let's observe the sum. Okay. So let's move the fifth sum. Okay. The class is boring or not? So boring? Not so boring? Okay. You cannot respond me, no. So I'm thinking that class is not so much boring. Okay. But you have to teach you. So I'm teaching different sums. And if you have any queries, please take the help of comment box. Okay. I will try to solve your problems. Okay. So next sum, sin a plus b equals to root over 3 by 2. That is equals to cos a minus b. So in one line there are two equations. Okay. Sin a plus b equals to root over 3 by 2. Again cos a minus b equals to root over 3 by 2. Okay. Sin a plus b equals to root over 3 by 2. Again cos a minus b equals to root over 3 by 2. I am repeating it because you have to understand this. Okay. So, and A, B are acute angles. Acute angles means lesser than 90 degree. Okay. So, A and B are acute angles and A is greater than B. Okay, and find the value of A and B. So sin A plus B equals to root over 3 by 2. So cos A minus B is also root over 3 by 2. हाँ, A by 2 दोनों ही एक्यूट एंगल्स है और A B से बड़ा है, ठीक है, ग्रेटर. सो आपको A एंड B का वैल्यू निकालना चाहिए. तो कैसे निकालें हम? आज कोशिश करके देखते हैं. सो नाउ कम टू द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट हैव टू राइट sin A plus B equals to root over 3 by 2. Okay, you know sin 3 by 2 means sin 60 degree, that you know, I have taught you in the previous classes. Okay, sin A plus B equals to root over 3 by 2. So we can write that is sin A plus B equals to sin 60 degree. So we can cancel now sin and sin here. Implies that A plus B equals to 60 degree. That is the equation number 1. Okay. Now cos A minus B equals to root over 3 by 2. So now cos A minus B equals to, that is also root over 3 by 2. So implies that cos A minus B equals to cos 30 degree. What is sin 60 degree? That is cos 30 degree. So cos 30 degree. So here is cos and here is cos. So we can cancel this. So A minus B equals to 30 degree. That is the equation number 2. So we can write here A plus B equals to 60 degree and A minus B equals to 30 degree. Okay. So let's write. You have to learn the fundamental concept. So don't think that there is a shortcut trick to find this there. So shortcut tricks जो दूसरे को भी हम लोग सिखाते हैं, लेकिन वो क्या है, वो थोड़ा अपर क्लास के लिए. बट you are the student of class 9 and you have this basic concepts and you have to write all the basic concepts in an examination. Okay, if you use any shortcut tricks, that marks will be deducted in the board. Okay, so please don't take the process of shortcut tricks. Shortcut tricks you will get shortcut marks also. Okay, so write the full sentence. Okay, A plus B. So now we are writing the equation number 1. A plus B equals to 60 degree and A minus B equals to 30 degree. Okay, so by adding, okay, so by adding, I am writing add. Okay, so B cut here. So 2A equals to 60 plus 30, that is 90 degree. Implies that A equals to 90 by 2. I am not writing. 90 by 2 equals to 45 degree. Okay. Now, so A is 45 degree. So from this equation, I can write A plus B equals to 60 degree and value of A is 45 degree plus B equals to 60 degree. So B is equals to 60 degree minus 45 degree. Implies that B equals to 15 degree. Okay, so here A is greater than B and so 45 is greater than 15 degree. Okay, you have understood the sum. Is the sum or tough? I think it is easier now. Okay, let's observe. Here is the last sum of this class. Okay, so children, the last sum is number 6. Here is a triangle. Okay, triangle ABC. So it is a right angle triangle. C is 90 degree and B is 60 degree. Okay, so theta is 60 degree. So and AC is 6 centimeter. So in the right angle triangle, what's given that C equals to angle C equals to 90 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree, and length of AC equals to 6 centimeter. What you have to find? That is, find the length of the sides BC and AB. AB and BC. Okay. So here is 60 degree. Where is the angle is theta? That is, there is theta. So the adjoining side is base. So this is base and this is height. This is hypotenuse. You know by Pythagoras theorem. So now you have to write this tan theta. So what you know tan theta? Tan theta equals to height by base. So first one. Now start the solution. Okay. So tan theta equals to AC by BC, because you have to find out AC and BC. So tan theta equals to height by base. So AC by BC. Okay. Tan theta is here 60 degree. So tan 60 degree equals to AC means 6 centimeter by BC. Okay, tan 60, what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equals to 6 by BC. So BC equals to 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3. Okay, you cannot root 3 as the denominator. So because you have to rationalize the number. So 6 root 3 means, that is, you have to multiply root 3 into root 3. Okay. So in the denominator you have to multiply this root 3. So you have to put root 3 in the numerator also. You know. So rationalize. Okay. So root 3 equals to root 6 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. So cut it. So 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 centimeter. So length of length of BC is 2 root 3 centimeter. Length of BC is 2 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So 2 root 3 centimeter. So what is, now you have to find out AB, that is hypotenuse. So tan theta I will not take again. I will take sin theta, because you have to find out hypotenuse. So you can take the help of sin theta or cos theta also. Okay. So I will take sin theta. Please like my videos and share to your friends. And if you have any problem, must be there. So please take the help of comment box, and please subscribe my channel by pressing the bell icon every time I tell you. So now, okay, so now you have to find out the length of AB. So now sin 60. Okay. So sin 60 degree equals to, you know, sin theta is height by hypotenuse. So height is here 6. So height by, that is AC. AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay. So sin 60 degree, you know what is sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree, what is the value of sin 60 degree? You can, yes, sin 60 degree is root over 3 by 2. Okay. So here is AC is 6. So 6 by AB. Okay. There is cross multiplication. AB is here and 2 is here. So root 3 AB equals to 6 into 2. Okay. So AB equals to 6 into 2 by root 3. Again you have to rationalize the number. So root 3 multiplied by root 3 in the denominator and numerator also. So 6 root 3, that is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 by 3. So cut 4 equals to 4 root 3 centimeter. So value of AB is 4 root 3 centimeter. Understood the sum? Okay. So let's understand the sum. Okay. And today, now it is the time to go. Okay. So next class we'll meet you again. Okay. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड सी यू अगेन. एंड फिर मैं कह रही हूँ कि बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मेरा वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड शेयर अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज मस्ट बी देयर. Okay, so I'll come to you if I know that is you have any problem. Please take help of your comment box. Okay, so then bye.